Good morning, everybody. Today is February 26th. 26th. Let's get to trading, I guess. Let's see what we got going on. I don't believe there's any news today from what I remember. U.S.-Iran nuclear talks live. Negotiations kick off in Geneva amid tensions. Stock market today, Dow higher ahead of jobless claims. NVIDIA rallies on earnings. Dow higher. Oh, you got jobless claims today? Let's take a look at that. Yep. Oh no. Unemployment claims was at 7:30. We have some kind of FOMC member speaking. Yeah, no news Thursday. Tomorrow we have GDP, core PPI, and then PPI. This week, just PMI. Annual budget release. No CPI. Man, we got no news at all. Zero news. I don't know if the market's going to have any volatility. I'm not trading the funded today either. I'm still waiting on the payout. It's like one more step before they approve it, so I'm just waiting on that. Because if I blow the account, which I'm not going to go blow it, but if I per se did blow it, then they don't give you the payout even though they took the funds out of your account. Your account has to be active, which I think is complete bullshit, but whatever. I'm not going to sit and complain. So yeah, I'm going to try to pass this eval finally. Yesterday was mildly stressful considering we're barely moving. I mean, we were stuck in a 10-point range on NQ. We're just stuck in a 10-point range. And then as soon as I hopped off the stream, literally the next 5 minutes, it just hit TP. And I was like, well, all right. Yeah. And then eventually got up to the 400, 500 levels when NVIDIA released their earnings. So, yeah, just slow. Not a lot of volatility. Today's probably going to be the same thing. I don't know if we're going to shoot down lower. I really doubt it. I mean, I don't think we have a reason to. We don't really have bearish news. No earnings coming out today. Maybe we'll come back a little bit from yesterday's. I mean, I don't think we're going to come back to the low of 25,126. Could come down to 300 for sure, current year mid. Maybe see a bounce off there. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, today I'm not expecting nothing big. I'm expecting slow, choppy conditions. I was debating on even waking up today. So I just knew it was going to be super slow. But tomorrow's going to be the same thing probably. Sometimes Friday picks up a little bit, but last 2 days were pretty nice though. Monday, Tuesday were pretty good. Yesterday was pump and nothing after. And then today we'll see if we get some kind of movement. Tired as so, man. Tired as so. IonQ jumps in growing quantum adoption. Interesting. 15%. I just someone ran some calls on that. Celsius up 15%, 58.70. Earnings season shows promise. USD. Can't tell if the dollar's up. The dollar? The dollar is up. VIX is at 17. So that's why I'm assuming there's going to be like zero volatility. Because boost from the video forecast. Yeah, one of the best investments right now is just anything in memory stocks or chip manufacturing, chip sales, chip producers. It's gonna be your best bet. Because I mean, if you just outright invest in AI, I think it's a little like overbought, a little too expensive. So what do you got to buy next? You got to buy the things that produce everything that AI needs. Called out copper like a few months ago. Copper's up like crazy. Always like gold as an investment too. I mean, we were sideways on gold for like 5 years, and then all of a sudden we're up like 300, 400%. It's just worth the hold. I mean, it has it on inflation, especially if you think something's coming to an end. Like you see the market kind of. Why not put your money in gold? I don't understand why people in like banks and hedge funds make such a big deal about it. It's like they need huge tech stocks to make them money. Like, what if the ordinary person wants to protect their money and still make some kind of money on their investment? I don't know. Oh, 352's got 280 executions. Interesting. 229. Oh, on the buy. We dipped to overnight VWAP. I mean, we could target 400s again. I don't see any other contracts. We got 225 and 200 highlighted. Could be bearish. I doubt it. I think they're just there just in case something happens. Something gets anticipated. Yeah, today I think consolidation, maybe slightly bullish. On the day, may hit the 25,450 level. 500 could be also a target. They're chasing highs. If not, then yeah, we could probably dip down to 250, 200. But I'm not expecting to see more than like a 200, 100, 200 point move for the day. I doubt it. It'll be extremely slow. So we'll see. U.S. corporate bonds coming down. Interesting. Clarence expects U.S. tariffs clarity, signs deal openness. To reclaim overpaid tariff duties, the Swiss specialty chemical company said Thursday. Ooh, they're trying to get their money back for tariffs. That's not good. It would have to owe like 100 billion at least. Probably more. We got a lot of selling. What's the sell-off? Wow, whoa, look at those executions. Wow, okay. Shattered 300. Really taking this thing downward? Huge sell off? I'm gonna take this thing short, see what happens. Oh no, bro. The second I hop in, wow, those orders come on. Jeez. Take that. Yep. Yep. That was not a great play by me. Look at that sweep. So we just dump at open and then immediately just shoot straight up? Or are we going to actually fall down again? Yeah, there we go. Nice. Let's get a good dip below 300. Entry price is 300, so 303. Targeting 250. 250 could be an easy target. Sweet. Come on. Get those buyers out of the 80s. Not 800s, 80s. Not much. Come on, keep pushing. There's that push. Come on. I see the pressure. CBD's falling still. Yes. Come on. Get to 50s. Yeah, look at all that selling. Come on. Get back down there. Yeah, that's what I thought. Come on. I don't like these tests of 70s. I still think it's going to drop lower. Yep, there we go. Almost TP. Come on. I am 8 points away from TP. 8 points away from TP. Ain't no way. Seriously? Wow, bro. Complete reversal. Wow. I was 5 points away from TP. Okay, there we go. What a sweep. Come on. I don't know what buyers there are at 70s. I don't see any. Yeah. Okay. Sure. Tapped out twice, dude. There we go. That could be that push. Come on. Just break 70s, for fuck's sake. Please. Should fall. Volume pressure's there. There's not really any buying activity going on. In the low 60s. Come on, give me a fucking break, dude. There we go. I got filled. 1,500. Finally. Okay, so that's one eval. Passed. Oh, it's such a great day to hop on the funded. I love those kinds of short days. Let's see if my payout got approved yet. Not yet. Not yet. Yeah, I told you guys it'll come down to the 220s if anything. Maybe dip out below 100. U.S. equities mix at open. Yeah. NQ's down 50. But yeah, here are the executions. Under overnight VWAP, I didn't even said New York. Came down. I entered in like right here at like 90. Went up. Almost down only like 250. Re-entered in for another 10 right here. Pitch and catch scenario. Great order flow to the downside. So 1,500 on the eval. Pretty simple play. But I don't know if I'm gonna trade the funded today. I don't want to risk it. I know they would do some. I know Topps would do something if I started trading it. No, that's a lie. I was trading it before. Actually. This might be a good opportunity to go long. See a lot of buying activities past the 70s. Yeah, we're probably going to shatter over New York VWAP. Cybersecurity, quantum, we were talking about IQ earlier, but I know you like this sector as well. What's your pick? I think that Palo Alto Networks is on money when it comes to looking at quantum. It's been thrown out of software, and I would say cybersecurity. See what happens in New York VWAP. Interesting. Are we going to still completely shoot down? Honestly, we tried on that on the funded. Nothing crazy. Two micros on the entry. Target is 100. See those levels at 75. We'll see if we can even get that low. If not, I'll just trail the stop. We got to bounce off New York VWAP. Looks like we got a lot of selling going on here. The video's dragging? Who could have thought? Yeah, immediate rejection. It's a very thin volume profile. 300 is consolidate. Oh, 300 might be the target. We'll see. If not, then 75 is the target because we have no other orders down below. We'll see if they have enough selling volume or not. Let's take it short. Yep, see. They get some quick rejection of 300. I'm watching this very closely. Yep. I'm going to add in for one more. Risk 250. I expect this thing to shoot down now. Entry price is 65. Not the greatest, not the worst. But I think from what I'm seeing on the DOM, we're getting a lot of sellers just slamming on the order book. Got targets at 200 now set up. Yep. That selling volume is just there. It's just there. Nice. $200 into profit. Oof. Bid got slammed. Yep. I still think it's a continuation lower. We have a big CVD drop from minus 250 to minus 850. So I think this could be a great continuation. I'm just watching this really closely. I'm gonna set a buy limit for one at 200. Get out of a third of my contract size. And did my dreams just get shattered by some random buyers? No, we're retesting New York VWAP yet again. Yeah, we had some random buyers. Ooh, bid's getting slammed. It's getting slammed right now. Hold on. It's going to be really good. Ooh, that's nice. Look at that speed. Oh my goodness. Some big seller had to step in or something. Nice. Come on, let's break that previous low for me. Nice, nice. Ooh. Come on, let's get lower. Come on. Look at that spike in volume. Wow. Minus 1400 on the CVD. Come on, let's shoot lower right here. Come on. Oh, come. There's no way. Wow. Someone try to buy this thing back up? Look at all those contracts at 75. Come on. Don't do this. It's a beautiful picture. New York. Now we're going to just chop around. I did expect choppy conditions today, so good drop on open, choppy conditions after 15 minutes. Let's shoot downwards. Come on. I'm not loving this right now. I didn't like that failed continuation forward. Unless this is the continuation right here, which it could be. I think they're trying to get enough bid orders to try to shoot this thing downward to 225. CVD is negative 1400 now, so that's not bad at all. Come on. Shoot past 40s. Wow. No, I'm not loving this anymore. I think there's too many passive buyers in the 40s to take this thing lower. CVD is staying stable, but those passive buyers are driving those sellers out of 40s back into the 50s, triggering some stops. Some stops right here. You see that? So we'll see if those pushes upwards are to trigger some sell stops. Or buy stops, right? That'd be buy stops, yeah. 225. Front run. Front run. Oh, there it is. There's the push. Oh, yeah. Front run. Get to 200. Get to 200. Come on. We're at 17. Oh, no. Don't absorb them. Don't absorb those bids. Come on. Oh, okay. Never mind. We got good pressure. Minus 2,000 on the CVD. $200 easy push, possibly. Come on! Oh my gosh! A reversal back to 25 to 30. 30's holding. No, it's not. We're back in the 40s. Oh no. Hopefully those asks get super soaked. Man, we can't even reach 200, dude. Come on. Very consolidated, open, 15-minute open. Well, 20-minute now. I mean, the bid's it's all red. That is all red. They're really trying to push this thing lower. This could be the move. Back in the 16s, 15, 14. Don't get absorbed at 200. Don't do it. See some mild absorption right there. Seeing some buyers trying to pick that back up. At $300 in profit. Can we hold 20s? 20s got a couple of buyers in there. 220 red. Man, it does not want to break that low for 200s. You got extreme volume pressure too. Oh, there we go. There's the front run. There's that big seller stepping up. They really want to take this thing down. Yep, there it is. Come on. Tap me out for one. Tap me out for one, please. Look at that. Come on. 150 orders. They're really trying to drag this thing down. I'm trying to front run right here. Yep. Tap me. No way. By one tick. You gotta be shitting me. One tick, dude. No way. Get me out of this position. There we go. 100 still the target. See what happens. I think it might be smooth sailing under 200 if we get a good enough push. Nice, we're getting a good push downwards. Push that thing, cuz. I need the max win. Look at that bounce. They're going to try to re-break 90. Seeing some struggle there. Some buyers at 200. You got some algos at 250. That could be a problem. CBG's at negative 2.5. Let's see if we get past 20s. If we reject 20s, I might add in for one more contract, but doesn't look like that's the case right now. Looks like they're trying to get to 50. Yeah, there's no more demand to go lower, honestly. 30s. A lot of buyers at 30s. Sellers are trying to defend it. See if there's any demand to go lower. Okay. It's not terrible. Quite a bit of absorption at the highs. Okay. I'll retry it. I'll add in one more. I think this can shoot lower. I think 20s can hold. Fake demand to drive price higher. We're in the mid-10s now. CBD is running red, which I do like. I think this could just be a lower high, downward. Yep, there we go. There we go. That's nice. Can we break the 200s? I think this could be the opportunity to do so. No. Come on. I don't like that. There's some push. There's the push. Beautiful. That's what we love to see. Can we break that low? Absolutely, we can. Absolutely, we can. CBD's at negative 3,000. It's a lot of seller at the lows in the mid 80s. Depends if the 90s are going to be a little demand for that. Come on. Not loving that absorption. We got good demand. Take this thing lower. 250 is just algo orders. It's not real orders. Not real demand. 90s are holding really well. We're in the mid 90s right now. Coming into the low 90s. I don't like that CBD jump, but I think 100s can hold. 200s hold. This could be shot lower now. See if a big player steps in, tries to take this thing down to the 50s. We got good executions right here. 28 and 95. 30. Not enough. Some buyers soaked. Looks like 200's holding. 200's holding very well by the sellers. We swept some buy stops. Whoa. What is this buying? What is this buying activity? They're trying to take this thing short, aren't they? $75 side of the. Oh, there it is. There's that move. That is all sellers. There's that big seller we were asking to step in. 128 on the bid. Shooting this thing down to the 70s. Nice. This could be a nice drop to the 50s. Put limit by 1 at 50s. Oh yeah. 70s is crowded with sellers. I think this could be easy pushed down to the 50s. Nice move down to the low 60s. We broke 60s. Nice. Tapped out for 1. Moving my stop to the previous high for $137 in profit. Looks like point of control is at 25. 25. Can move my stop down to 75. We're going to trail this thing now. We're in the low 40s. Yep. Sweet. Nice. I mean, dude, it is that bid is crowded. They are trying to take this thing down, and those buyers are trying to get out of this position right here. Stunning earnings report, but we sell off. That has been the recent news. Yep, earnings priced well. Or nothing has been priced right, so that's why it's random. Let's get that continuation lower. 40s is holding pretty well. I think it's just those buyers trying to get out right now. See how it immediately starts getting dragged down by sellers as soon as it pops up to the mid 50s. Actually, maybe I'm wrong. Am I wrong? I don't think so. There's a lot of good sellers, especially at 70s. 70s was all sellers. I think 75 is the initial target. Can we just break 70s though? That's the big question. 70s is defended pretty well. Yep. There's that defensive 70. There's those passive sellers at 70s. We touched previous 4-hour low. It's going to shoot down now. Can, not will. Not loving this. 70s is getting defended pretty well. That's the only reason I'm still in. It's another pitch and catch scenario. Pitch back up to 70s. Get defended and come down. We're breaking into 80s now, so I don't know if the sellers have enough strength to shoot this thing lower now to 75, even though it's crowded. Lame, bro. It's so lame. We're just sweeping the previous 4-hour low, bro. That's all we're doing. This could be the move downward. Yep, there it is. There it is. Down in the low 60s now. Low 50s. Nice. And we're getting a big seller push. We got good demand lower. 58's crowded with buyers. Could bounce. Yep. A little bounce.
But what's really exciting is the breadth of this market. You know, we've seen Max 7 earnings.
Nice. Oh, they got swept. 200s could be the target. We got an iceberg wall. Looks like at 80. Explains why I shot down lower. See if that iceberg wall holds. Typically, when we see a wall, it, especially in the right trend direction, it could be a great hold. Get more icebergs coming in to try to defend this position right here. They're really trying to shoot this thing downward. I don't think they're going to stop until we probably break down to 75, maybe under. We got 100. 100's getting crowded with orders with 54 sitting on the bed.
So, we're back to traditional diversification and those investors being rewarded. Even so, Brooke, if you don't count NVIDIA in yesterday's earnings, companies in the S&P grew earnings by 13% in the fourth quarter. That's almost 6 percentage points better than expected. Yet, in that period of time, the S&P fell 1.7%. Or the data, if you take it from JP Morgan to Walmart, that's tied for the worst performance during an earnings season in the past 10 quarters. Why aren't earnings being better reflected in this index right now? It's a product of the performance.
They were never priced accurately. That's why. If earnings aren't shooting prices higher, then the price is overbought. It means not worth the investment. It's too many people are invested. The stock price is too high. What are they trying to expect? Fucking 15% moves on the video? $1 trillion stock? Like, what are they talking about?
Gold obviously has gone absolutely bonkers. Bitcoin has dropped. The VIX is at 20, I think, but it doesn't look like a lot of people are buying.
VIX is back at 20? Nice. I don't know. 18. VIX is at 18. If VIX gets to 20, we get to 75 for sure. There's a lot of buyers in 60s. Look at that spike. Buying activity, but it doesn't look like. Yeah, that looks like they're just trying to get out before the drop. Yeah.
Again, it's a negative market because NVIDIA is down, and those losses are gaining steam. NVIDIA here in the 4% drop. S&P down.
4% drop in NVIDIA? Shit, that's good for me. Sorry about your guys' portfolios, though. We got a big jump in CVD. I think it's just buyers trying to get out. Doesn't look like they can shoot this thing downward or upwards. My apologies. There's that break. Yep. See? The buyers trying to get out of this position, man. Nobody wants to be buying at this scenario. No one wants to be a buyer in this scenario. Hell no. We're down almost 300 points since open. 1%. We're almost down 1% on NQ. Can we break those 40s? We'll see. No. Back in the 60s. And we sweep immediately. This looks like a slowly bleeding market. Oh. Order book cleared up. This could be either really great news or really bad news. Right now it's looking like bad news. Come on, break down lower for me. Yep, buyers are stepping in. See if they're just trying to get out or they're trying to buy this thing back up now. Stops are getting swept like crazy. 75 is still the intended target. I might just hold till it gets to 75, to be honest. Yeah, they can't even buy this thing back up. 240 contracts? Get out of this. 303 icebergs? Wow. They're really trying to defend this. Really trying to defend this. CBD is jumping like crazy, but price is not moving at all. That's how you could tell someone's getting out of the market. Once everyone gets out, this thing just gonna just shoot down. What was I saying? What was I saying, dude? What was I saying? Up 120 points. Ooh. I'm gonna just hold. Get down there. Come on. Come on. Get down there. Come. Ooh, we're in the 90s? Please. 950 is getting highlighted. 500 is getting highlighted. I'm not going to hold past there. 90 seems to be holding. We did just get a 40-point drop, bro. Told you, once those buyers get out, it's over. I'm put my stop at 108. Actually, I'm going to put it at 110 just to be safe. See if we could get tapped into 75. This thing is highlighted like crazy. We're in the 80s now. Full TP. No, that's fine. I don't really care. Yep. We're retesting the hundreds. Wow, what a dip, dude. Cannot believe we caught that. Yes, keep falling. Keep falling. Yep. Should be easy TP smash right here. We're in the low 80s. 5 more points. 5 more points. 5 more points. 10 more points, actually. There we go. 1,000 on the day. Please. 271, 262 were the first entries. 271. Over 200 point call out yet again, guys. 200 points. You guys can hold if you please. This thing's still falling. What a catch, guys. What a catch. 71, 62, that's about 67 point entry, right? Stop above that. Yeah, coming out to 25, 75, right here. 200 points yet again, guys. We're up 1,000 on the day. Back on the funded. Look at that. Look at that. 3,300 on the week. Did not lose a trade today. Today we were completely green. Perfect call out for the 200 points. Rejection of New York VWAP. We had a lot of selling activities. And then I was saying on stream, a lot of buyers trying to get out. I saw it on the DOM. I saw it on the CBD. Buyers trying to get out of this position. And what did I say? Over 150 point drop. Over 150 point drop. We could have held, but we didn't. It's all right. It's all right. Perfectly content with today's price action. Like I said, if you guys ain't watching the stream, you guys are missing out. 200 point calls. 200 points. Who's giving you those types of calls? 3 times a week? At least 100 points? Come on. Come on. All right, you guys have a great day. I'm done. Trading only half an hour, we're catching 200 points, man. 200 fucking points. All right. Y'all have a good day. See you guys tomorrow. Peace.